You are a being of spiritual light, and your light flows through your energy body as life force energy, commonly called ki, chi, or prana. Your spiritual light is eternally connected to the universal life force energy. Healing light energy is a vibration of unconditional love and light, and it too is part of the universal life force energy. It works naturally with your energy body to dissolve energy blocks, balance your chakras, and raise the vibration of your energy body. There are three main interconnected energy systems that carry your life force energy: the aura, the meridians, and the chakras. The aura refers to the 7 concentric layers of electromagnetic energy that surround the physical body. They can be divided into physical and spiritual planes. The first layer is the etheric body, and it is associated with your physical experiences, including physical pleasure, pain, and general physical well-being. The second layer is the emotional body, and it is associated with your emotional experiences that impact your emotional state, including how you feel about yourself. The third layer is the mental body, and this is where you process ideas, beliefs, and thoughts, including self-acceptance. The fourth layer is the astral layer, and it is the first of the spiritual layers, and it is associated with unconditional love. The fifth layer is the etheric double layer, and it is associated with aspects of identity, personality, and manifestation. The sixth layer is the celestial body, and it is associated with personal growth and universal love. The seventh layer is the etheric body, and it is associated with divine energy and universal consciousness. It is considered the protective layer of the aura. The meridians are pathways or channels of energy that carry your life force energy throughout your physical body, supplying vital energy to every part of your being. There are 12 primary meridians made up of yin and yang energy. They include the lung and large intestine meridians, stomach and spleen meridians, heart and small intestine meridians, bladder and kidney meridians, heart constrictor and triple heater meridians, and the liver and gallbladder meridians. Let's have a look at the chakras now. The chakras are very important as they are essentially your feeling centers and where most energy blocks are formed. Chakra means disc of light. There are 7 main chakras that house your life force energy and connect you to the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of your life. The first chakra is the root chakra, and it is located at the base of the spine. It is associated with safety, security, survival, and physical identity. An imbalance in the root chakra can manifest as insecurity, fear, and anger. The second chakra is the sacral chakra, and it is located just below the navel. It is associated with partnerships, relationships, sexuality, and creativity. An imbalance in the sacral chakra can manifest as anxiety, vulnerability, and guilt. The third chakra is the solar plexus chakra, and it is located in the upper abdomen above the navel. It is associated with worthiness, self-esteem, intuition, and inner power. An imbalance in the solar plexus chakra can manifest as low self-worth, discouragement, and feeling powerless. The fourth chakra is the heart chakra, and it is located in the center of the chest. It is associated with our ability to give and receive love, unconditional love, and the spiritual qualities of kindness, empathy, and compassion. An imbalance in the heart chakra can manifest as deep hurt, bitterness, loneliness, and grief. The fifth chakra is the throat chakra, and it is located in the area of the throat between the collarbone and the Adam's apple. It is associated with communication, self-expression, and being able to speak from the depth of your soul. An imbalance in the throat chakra can manifest as deep shame, fear, sadness, and feeling stuck. The sixth chakra is the third eye chakra, and it is located in the area of the forehead between and slightly above the eyebrows. It is associated with clarity, visualization, and being able to communicate between your head and heart. An imbalance in the third eye chakra can manifest as moodiness, volatility, and being unable to see beyond your present circumstances. The seventh chakra is the crown chakra, and it is located at the top of the head, slightly to the back. It is associated with universal energy, consciousness, and the divine. An imbalance in this chakra can manifest as confusion, depression, and feeling disconnected. The chakras run from the base of the spine to the top of the head along the energetic spine called the Sushumna. Experiencing deep emotional pain impacts the chakras by naturally causing the chakras to crystallize your light into energy blocks. These energy blocks create a disruption not only to the chakras, but to how your life force energy flows through your energy body. The healing light meditations will help to dissolve the energy blocks by filling your chakras and energy body with healing light energy. During the meditations, you will be guided on correct posture, proper breathing techniques, and how to connect to healing energy and your chakras through visualization. As you practice the healing light meditations, you will develop a deeper sensitivity to your energy body. Thank you, and wishing you peace.